All right, welcome to this OLSP online store review. Okay, so look, one of the best way of making money online is to have an online store. Okay, so Amazon, Walmart, you know all these Etsy and all these online stores, right? So all you need is an online store where you have multiple products, and every time you get any of those sales from those products, you make money. So this is the OLSP Mega Link system, which is an online store. And if you check how much I have made already, look at it here. $9,889. How do you like that? That's awesome, right? And you can even see the balance of the money that I have not withdrawn yet. You can see that $1,277. So you can see that when you promote your own online store, you could make a lot of money like this, and that is exciting. Let me even show you how the sales come in so that you see that it's amazing. You could actually do very well with this system. So let me quickly show you that. Awesome. Now look at the dates. Can you see this is almost like every day or every other day, and you can see the number of MegaLink sales that I am getting, and you see the commissions, and that is amazing, right? Awesome. And all this together lead to me making $9,889. And let me tell you something. If I can do it, you can do it also. And I'm going to tell you how this is done, all right? Now, when you make this money, you make it through the OLSP MegaLink system. Let's go to my dashboard. Awesome. So now, as you can see, this is the OLSP MegaLink system. And if you check here, you can see the balance commission that I have not collect. But this is very important. This is called your MegaLink. And you can see how much, this is the link that I am promoting. All you need to do, click on this, and you can successfully copy the link. Okay, and that is all you need to do. You copy that link and start sharing the link, and that's how you make money. And you can see the products. There are so many products in the store. They are all digital products, and you don't even have to buy any of these products for you to make money from them. So the OLSP have a lot of products. Okay, and this is Wayne Crow, the owner of this system. All right, and let me show you some of the commissions that I have received because I am promoting this MegaLink system right now. Let me quickly show you some of the payments that I have received so that you can see it right now. Look at that. Can you see this payment that I got from the Wayne Crow Limited? You can see that I was paid $313. Now, how much does the Mega Link cost? Just $7. Now, with a $7 online store, I have been able to get payment of $313. How do you like that? Let me show you another payment. Look at another payment that I got. Look at it from the Wayne Crow Limited, and you can see. Look at that. $679. Imagine that. Amazing. But let me show you another payment. Look at this other payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Can you see that? $1,508. How would you like to earn $1,508 just promoting a $7 online store? How do you like that? But let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. And how much is that? $1,004. How do you like that? Awesome, right? So this is what I want from you. I want you to earn commissions just like this regularly coming into your account, just promoting your mega link. Let me show you another payment. Look at this. This is a payment from the Wincrow Limited to me of $642. How do you like that? Awesome, right? But let me still show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wincrow Limited, and you can see that $2,096 paid to me by the Wincrow Limited. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wincrow Limited, $679. How do you like that? Are you feeling excited? But let me still show you another one. Look at it. This is another payment that I received from the Wincrow Limited, $1,000. How would you like to earn commissions consistently like this, and you are paid straight to your Wise account or your PayPal account or whatever account you want? It's amazing, right? So that is why you want to start promoting the OLSP Mega Link system. So let's go straight to my notes. So you'll be asking me, Victor, what is this OLSP $7 Mega Link system? Now, this is a done for you automated online store, like I told you. Now, when you pay $7, you are going to get your own online store just like me, right? As you can see, this is the store, and you can see all the products, and you can promote all these products individually, right? But the best way of making money with this system is just to promote your mega link, okay? That's all. Once you promote your mega link, you will be able to earn commissions from all the products in the system. It's so powerful, right? So this is why this is amazing, okay? So now, when you join this OLSP $7 Mega Link system, you are going to also get a training program that will teach you how to start your own affiliate marketing business, how to promote it, how to get traffic, because you want to bring a lot of traffic to your online store, how to get customers, and that's where the money start coming, right? And also how to grow the business so that you can earn higher ticket commissions, which is amazing, right? Now, with this system, this is a complete automated done for you follow-up system. That means the only job that you do is to share your mega link. So you just share your link on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all these free sites, and by sharing your link, that is all. Now you bring all these visitors to your website, to your online store website, and then that is all. The system takes over, right? So the system does all the work for you. It follows up with your lead, okay? The system invites your lead to webinars. So it sends out emails on your behalf, so you don't have to do that. So it sends out email on your behalf. It follows up with your lead, invite your lead to webinars, invite your leads to training. In fact, they close high ticket sales for you on by phone call, and you don't have to do that. So with this system, you don't need any product of your own. So you don't need to create any product. Like I told you, the OLSP system have over 30 products and more that they have already created. So you don't have to create any product of your own. You don't need to have any website. Everything is done for you. You don't need any technical skill, because once you pay your $7, you are going to be given your mega link, and that is all. So you don't need all these things. You don't need to recruit anybody. There's no recruiting at all. Just share your link on social media, and the system teaches you how to do that. You don't need to call anybody. So don't call anybody. Don't talk to anybody. Don't sell anything. everything is done for you. Your only work is to share your mega link. And when you share your mega link, you will be able to earn commissions from over 7 different income streams or products in your online store, right? That is powerful. Amazing. And look, let me tell you another thing. When you earn a commission from Megalink, you are going to earn 100% commission. So with only one sale, you have already made your money back. And you will also be able to earn high ticket commissions up to $2,600 per sale from your online store. Is this not amazing? This is amazing. So listen, if you want to get your own OLSP Megalink online store today, very simple. All you have to do, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1. Join the OLSP $7 Mega Link system. Go ahead, click that first link, just like this. So once you click that first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website, and all you needed to do, just enter your first name here, then enter your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Awesome. Once you click the green button, that will now bring you to the OLSP Megalink website, guys. This is powerful. So when you get on this site, all you need to do, watch the training video here. After watching the training video, come below the video to this orange box that says click here to get instant access. Now, how much does this whole online store cost you? Just $7. Look at it here. Just $7 one-time payment. Is that not amazing? So go ahead, click that button, pay your $7, and then you will get your own online store just like mine, guys. And like I said, all you need to promote is your mega link. That is all. And you will now be able to earn commissions from all the products in the OLSP system. How do you like that? Awesome, right? Amazing. Now, for those of you that decide to join the OLSP Mega Link through my link, and then you are now in my team, I am giving out some free bonus worth over $7. Okay, now let me show you those bonuses before we are done. So I call them the Victor free advertising bonus materials, right? So I'm going to give all these bonuses to you, and I tell you they are worth much more than the $7 that you pay. So you are going to get all these marketing materials. You are going to get 1,300 email swipe already written for you for email marketing. You are also going to get classified ad headlines. For those of you promoting on classified ad site, you are going to get classified ad body. You're also going to get 200 pre-written ad already done for you. You're also going to get 50 pre-made images that you can copy and paste on Facebook or Instagram to drive traffic to your online store. This is amazing, guys. So that is what you get from me when you join the OLSP system through my link. All right, so guys, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I always respond to questions. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.